In order for your Yangqin sticks to be balanced, there are 3 things that have to be the same. In today's video, I'm going to share with you what are these 3 things. Hello everyone, I'm Mr. Patrick and welcome to my video channel. I'm a Yangqin instrumentalist in Singapore, graduated from Central Conservatory of Music, and I have more than 10 years of teaching experience. If you are new to this channel, remember to click on the subscribe button and the notification bell. I will be sharing everything you need to know regarding Yangqin performing arts. I will also be sharing about my life lessons as a musician as well as music tips that will definitely benefit you in your music journey. So stick around. Before you proceed with this video, please make sure you have watched my other video regarding how to produce a good sound on the Yangqin. If you have not watched the video, I have shared the link in the description box. Please go and take a look before proceed with this video because it is very important for you to learn how to produce a good sound before understanding how to balance the sticks. Once you have done that, let us proceed to how to balance the Yangqin sticks. In order for both of the Yangqin sticks to be balanced, there are 3 things that has to be the same. Number 1, the height has to be the same. Number 2, the speed has to be the same. Number 3, the strength have to be the same for both hands. I'm going to do a demonstration to you to help you understand why it is impossible for both sticks to be balanced if any one of these 3 is not the same. I hope you have a better understanding of why the 3 of them have to sound the same. I'm going to share with you a very simple exercise that can help you improve on the balancing of both sticks. What you need to do is to play 8 times on the right hand followed by 8 times on the left hand. Every single hit that you play has to sound balanced. So how do you do that? Make sure every single hit is same height, same speed and same strength. When you are playing 8 times on the right hand followed by 8 times on the left hand, they have to sound the same. Once you are able to do that for both hands, we are going to combine them together by crossing them together. I'm going to do a demonstration for you at the speed of 90. You can do at the speed that you are comfortable with. Okay, let me set the metronome to 90 right now. We are going to do a total of 4 sets. 1, 2, 3, go. I hope you have enjoyed the video today. If you have learned anything in this video, remember to hit the like button and to share with your friends. Let me know in the comment box what is the speed that you are currently practicing with, and let me know if you have any question regarding this video and I'll do my best to reply you. Thank you for watching the video and I'll see you in the next one.